This is how you're going to sign in to your AWS account. First is you're going to go to your AWS by opening aws.amazon.com. And then from here, you're going to click on sign in to console. Now, on the sign in page, you're just going to enter your root account. Just enter your email and your password. If you are an IM user, just click on IM user sign in and then enter your account ID or alias, username, and password. So as you can see, I am going to sign in using my root user email. I'm just going to click on the fields right here. I'm going to type in my username and my email address, and I'm going to hit on next. And then here I'm just going to verify that I'm going to type in the letters that I'm going to see here, and then click on I'm not a robot, and I'm going to enter my password for this account. I'm going to type in, and then we're going to click on sign in. Now after clicking on sign in, it's going to take us to it's going to send us an email confirming if it is us that is signing in. So from here, we're just going to enter the verification code that I have received from my email. So make sure that you check your email upon signing in. You're just going to click on verify and continue. And then from here, it's going to offer us to sign in or to register to an MFA for root credentials. But for now, I'm just going to skip it. And that's it. That is how you're going to sign in to your AWS account. After successful login, you will land on the AWS Management Console. If you found this video helpful, then please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.